Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. She is my little and cute and brilliant intelligent student. Her name is Zia, and today before starting the Qaida I will ask her some question. So if she gave me good answer, right answer, so please encourage her, share and like her video and support her, like our page as well. Okay Zia, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay Zia, tell me first of all, Zabar Zer Pesh mean?
Read a letter short.
Read a letter short, very good. Okay, Zabar Zer Pesh are called?
Harkat.
Harkat, very good. Harkat mean?
Energy and power.
Energy and power, very good. And tell me now, Zabar come?
Up.
And Zer come?
Down.
Down. And Pesh come?
Up.
And looks?
9 shapes.
9 shapes, shabash, very good. Now you tell me, Alif come? Alif come? Empty, very good. And Alif looks like?
1 shape.
1 shape, very good. Okay, Alif come empty, right? But when Alif go any harkat, any power, Alif convert into?
Hamza.
Hamza, shabash, very good. Okay, now you tell me, Jazam mean?
Connect, join, hug together.
Very good. And Jazam looks like?
Small doll shape.
Small doll shape, very good, brilliant. Okay, now you tell me, Zia, 2 Zabar, 2 Zer and 2 Pesh are called?
Tanween.
Tanween. Tanween mean?
And sound and noon sound coming at the end.
And sound, a noon sound coming at the?
End.
Very good, mashallah, brilliant. Okay, now is final and last question is, standing Zabar, standing Zer and standing Pesh mean?
Read a letter long.
Read a letter long. Mashallah, very good. She gave me 100% right, correct answer. So please like, share and encourage her. You want to ask something, Zia?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Good girl.